Good morning to all. You are going to learn today about rise of Stalin in Russia. You know that Russia became as a USSR in 1924. After the death of Lenin in 1924, the Stalin became as a great leader in the USSR in the Communist Party. After a few decades, he emerged as a leader of, and he put an end of all forms of opposition. At the same time, he used its undisputed powers to build the economy of USSR. What are the policies introduced by Stalin? Observe. The first 5-year plan introduced in the world in USSR only. It was introduced by Stalin. 5-year economic policy first introduced in Russian country in the year 1924. With the inspiration of Russia, our India also introduced that 5-year planning system in the year 1951. It was started in 1950. It was implemented first 5-year plan in India 1951 to 56, giving importance for agriculture. And second 5-year plan introduced in India from 1956 to 61. This was the inspiration of the Russian country and the leaders. Similarly, that Stalin followed that twin policy. Twin means two. What are that twin policy? What includes in that? First one is industrialization and agriculture, collectivization of agriculture. This is the twin policy of the Stalin. In this collectivization of agriculture, they started collective farms. What is this collective farms? Collective farms were started. They collected all small farms of the land. They do agriculture collectively, means combinedly. The share of the agriculture produce distributed among the people or among the farms or among the farms holders. This idea was shifted from small holding farms to large holding farmers. They were resisted. Large farmers were resisted, means they were not agreed to this collective farms. At the same time, they had to imprisonment or execution, means death, or deportation, means send them to other countries. This was happening in that Russia. After that, this caused that severe famine occurred in 1929-30. The first Great Depression also occurred in the world, 1929-30, the particular beginning of that particular year. Do you know that? What was the period of Great Depression? From 1929 to 1939. This was the period of Great Depression. We will discuss in the next part. Okay. So next one it is, at the same time, more number of people were died due to severe famine occurred in Russia in the year 1929 to 30. Soon after, agriculture production increased that, and it led to establishment of industries and rapid industrialization. Industries were started in USSR. Rapid constructions led to poor working conditions in Russia. And major important one, in Russia, one major steel plant was also constructed in Magnitogorsk. What is that? Which place? Magnitogorsk. Okay. And next important, and some of the improvement facilities and development facilities and public facilities were provided or introduced by Stalin during the Stalin period only. Extended schooling system was introduced, means universalization of agriculture, and they gave importance for primary education, and all the peasants, means farmers, also studied. They gained education. And next one, it is important health system, chief public health, also provided by Russia during the period of Stalin. They established hospitals, and they provide health and medicines. Okay. And next one, it is, all this led to modern living quarters were set up after the workers, since government resources were limited. The USSR achieved that full employment for all its citizens and was able to improve their standard of living substantially. The USSR able to escape itself from the impact of Great Depression due to implementation of all this during the Stalin period. Do you know that which country has escaped itself from the Great Depression? That is USSR only. What other countries are greatly disturbed and declined demand and declined their employment, and more people also die? Which country was more suffered during the Great Depression? Germany was the mostly suffered country in the world due to the Great Depression period. Okay, what is Great Depression? What is the period of Great Depression? What are the countries suffered by the Great Depression? Okay, the period of Great Depression was from 1929 to 1939. During this decade, there was a worldwide economic decline triggered by a decline in demand and fall in prices. What are the countries suffered? America, Germany, England, means Great Britain. These two were severely suffered due to the Great Depression only. Okay, and some of the important economists, what they revealed about this Great Depression. Marxist economists argued that it was because of capitalism. It is essential nature of the capitalism. It can be get rid of only establishment of the socialism. Do you understood? They said that this all Great Depression efforts or results were removed by the establishment of the socialism only. That was said by some of the Marxist economists. Marxist means Karl Marx related and followers. Economist J.M. Keynes from America, he argued that the state should play a crucial role and intervene effectively during that Great Depression. State means here the country. Understood? What are the challenges faced by America during the Great Depression? You all know that the Great Depression period from 1929 to 1930, and at the same time during the Great Depression, first it is the beginning with a stock market collapse in USA. Understand, it is 25% of Americans were unemployed and nearly 33% in many other countries. Factories closed down, trade declined in the cities, and at the same time collapse of the prices, means mainly agriculture prices up to 60%. At the same time agriculture production also declined, means decreasing. Millions of farmers are poor, they became poor and they can stop their cultivation or agriculture. This was the longest and most severe economic decline, means decreased, faced by the modern economy till today. So due to this Great Depression, social disturbances occurred, means increasing that poverty levels and desolation and homelessness and unemployment, shortage of food. So these are happened in the all over the countries. What are the steps taken by the USA during the Great Depression? New Deal policy introduced in that USA. Who introduced that New Deal policy? It is also called as 3R policy. F.D. Roosevelt, the President of America, announced that the New Deal policy In that 3 R's include that 3 R's means according this the policy, he promised to relief to the victims of depression, reforms of financial institutions, and economic recovery by undertaking the large industries or public works. In that include that 3 R's: relief, reform, and recovery. So these are 3 R's. Very important one. Similarly, another important plan there in USA is known as Marshall Plan. What is this Marshall Plan? Marshall Plan is a plan announced by the USA to give economic support to the European countries to reconstruct and rebuild after the World War II. Understand? Roosevelt introduced that much needed social security system in the US. It established a permanent system of universal retirement pensions and unemployment insurance, welfare benefits for the needed people, mainly handicapped and their families. He established that framework for US welfare system. For the inspiration of this USA, England too introduced that welfare measures after that Second World War. What kind of welfare system there in England? They provided that social security measures, mostly unemployment doles, sickness coverage, health schemes, child care. Britain provided minimum basic life to the public. Public means citizens. In that they are providing education, free supply of food, housing, health, and child care centers and old age centers are established in the country. What the challenges were faced by Germany during Great Depression? German economy was worst hit by the Great Depression. By 1932, industrial production was reduced to 40%. Workers lost their jobs and they were paid reduced wages. Unemployment started. Unemployed youth touched 6 million on the streets. You can see men with placards around their necks saying willing to do any work. You can see this picture. When the youngsters lost their jobs, they took up criminal activities. The economic crisis created deep anxieties and fears in the people of Germany. Middle class people, especially salaried pensioners, saw their savings due to when the currency lost its value. Means there is no value for the currency notes. Small businessmen, self-employed, and retailers were suffered during this situation. Only some organized workers, they can overcome this situation. big businessman was also in the crisis. The large mass of peasantry was affected by a sharp fall of agriculture prices. Women unable to feed their children stomachs. Due to these conditions, political instability was there in the Germany. This was taken advantage for the another new party in Germany. It is called Nazi Party, National Socialist German Workers Party. It's called as Nazi Party. Now we will discuss about greatness of Adolf Hitler. Examination purpose, very important. The ideology of Hitler and economic policies. Adolf Hitler was born in 1889 in Austria. He spent his youth in poverty, means poor. He joined in army and participated in World War. After that, he joined in Germany Workers' Party. He became a leader of this party. It's known as Nazi Party. He wrote his autobiography. What was this autobiography? Mein Kampf. Mein Kampf means my struggle. Mein Kampf means my struggle. He wrote during his imprisonment. Hitler was a powerful person, powerful leader and speaker. His passion and his words moved and reached to the people of Germany. He promised to build a strong nation, undo the injustice of Versailles Treaty and restore the dignity of German people. He promised employment for the unemployed and secure future for that youth of Germany. He promised to remove all the foreign influences and conspiracies against the Germany. Hitler followed a new style of policies and new style of politics. He followed that customs, means rituals, and mass mobilization of the people, conducting public meetings and massive rallies to support the Hitler and create the sense of unity among the German people. The followers, they used red banners with swastik and big applause after the speeches. Hitler mobilized his supporters on the promise of establishing the racial supremacy of the Aryan Germans over the world. Jewish people were the main cause of all the problems. He attacked communism and capitalism also. He promised to build a strong nation in the world. మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి అండ్ ఫైనల్లీ క్లిక్ ఆన్ ది బెల్ ఐకాన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.